So how do you know when you are ready to start an online business? Here are 3 signs that you need to take action. Sign number 1, you are tired of earning just one income. If you get anxious because you are relying on one paycheck per month, it's time to move on and get a second income. Sign number 2, you want more control over your time. If you are tired of working for somebody else and making their dreams come true, it's time to build something on your terms. And sign number 3, you are looking for a simple, proven way to make money online. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. Just plug into a system that already works. That's why I use the Legacy Builders program. A done-for-you digital business that makes you earn online with an automated system with 100% profit. So if these signs sound like you, comment info and I'll show you how to get started today. The Legacy Builders program. Simple, profitable and automated.